Welcome to Meliora's channel, your go-to place for C# and data analysis tutorials, products hands-on demos, and insider secrets to keep you at the cutting edge of innovation. Our goal is to break down complex tech topics to a level that you will easily understand to supercharge your skills. Without further ado, let's jump right in. Hello, you're welcome back to Meliora's channel. In this video, we're going to advance our discussions on the the use of Lambda expressions within Linq. So in our last video, as you can see, this is the program that we wrote in our last video. So in the last video, we were able to load all students. We had a student record with this structure, a student class that we've defined with this structure: full name, age, sex, class, nationality, and border. And border is a boolean, which is true if the student is a border and false if the student is not a border. So we then came here and created a class of a list of the student class, which we've called students, and we loaded this students list with data, which is what we did here. So we loaded the students list with data here, and then we filtered the students to Nigerian students only, and we wrote out both the students, that's all students, and then the Nigerian students. So now we want to advance this a little bit. What if we also want to actually see the list of the Nigerian female students? So the Nigerian students, but within the set of Nigerian students, we want to see those of them that are female. So in which case you're going to expand this statement here or extend it. So the easiest way to extend it is just to come to that line and to make it better, we already have the Nigerian students here, so you can actually define now list of Nigerian female students. And then that list of Nigerian female students will now be called Nigerian female students variable. And this will then be equal to, if you like, you can then use the Nigerian students because we've already defined it here. So you can use the Nigerian students now. So Nigerian, what did I do? So, yeah, so you can use Nigerian students. Yeah. And then you can now do the same thing on Nigerian students. You did where maps to s dot. So we already have the Nigerian students, so we just want to check whether it's a female. So that is, I think female is sex, yep. Equals female. And then again, you just change it to list so that it will come out. And that's it. So you now have the Nigerian female list as well, you know. So then this is list of students, not Nigeria. So list of students. So now with this you can repeat what we did earlier. So you can now actually take maybe this one and now say now you now display Nigerian female students as well. So if you run it now, you would get a list, but okay, these are Nigerian female students. Yep, so now if you run it, you have a list of all students. So this is all students, and then it will display the individuals, then the list of Nigerian students, display them, then the list of Nigerian female students, and will display them. So let's run it and we see. So this is the list of all students. So if I press enter, see the list of Nigerian students. If I press enter, see the list of Nigerian female students. And you can see everyone here is Nigerian, but you can see by their name they are all female. Even though what we could do is actually to include the sex display here so that it becomes very obvious. So let's do that. Let's go back and display the sex of all individuals. So if we come back here to update this quickly, so this is of nationality Nigeria and with sex male, and is a, then we now put here again student dot sex, and that's it. So if we run it now, it will then show us whether the displayed individual is a male or female. So again, this is all students, but it now includes nationality, includes full name, nationality, and the sex for everyone. So if you press enter, it's now only Nigerian students, includes nationality, which will be Nigerian only, but also it has sex. So you can see female, male mix here for Nigerian. Now, if you press enter, you now get the Nigerian female students. So you can now see the nationalities are Nigerians, and then all these are all female. So, and that's it. So you see how easy and how powerful this tool is with respect to filtering. So I can do the final thing here, which is to count. So to count the number of Nigerian females that we have, and all you need to do actually is to just define the count in. So you just define an integer, so maybe integer which is count of Nigerian female students, for instance. And then you can now pretty much repeat what you have here. So you just repeat all that you have here. So let's copy it. And paste. So now what you need is a count, you don't need a list. So you say to count, not to really, because, and that's it. So once you do this, then all you then need is to console write that count for you to see the number of. So you can come here after writing female students console, okay, you can actually combine it here. So you can say, for instance, put the substitution symbol here, and then you now say maybe count was that variable? Okay, count CNT. Yep. So count of Nigerian female students. So yep, you can say count of 5 Nigerian female students. So you can just to make it clearer there, and then you now get the list. So if we run this now, you will then see how this will display. So let's run it and we see how it goes. So this is all students. This is Nigerian students. This is female students, but it's telling you now there are 12 because of the count that we did. There are 12 Nigerian female students. So, and if you count this, you see there are 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So beautiful. And that's the power of Linq for you. So with this, we've come to the end of this video again. Thank you very much for watching. And as usual, we appeal that you subscribe if you've not subscribed, and then more importantly also comment, like, because doing all those would help the algorithm to actually share the video to wider audience, determine the right wider audience to share the video, and let more and more people benefit from this. So thank you, for I know that you have already done that. So thank you very much, and goodbye, and see you. Look forward to seeing you in the next video. Bye.